What's going on?
Shoot it one more time. I can see a BB in there.
Can you?
It's right here. See how there's the end right here?
Move, stop. Here.
Now put your mag in. Try it one more time. There we go. Alright.
Here, hold mine. You hold this real quick?
Hey!
I got it.
Where did that come from?
Alright. Where you at, Canoa? Let's try something new, dude. Don't try it. I'm gonna shoot you in the head, dude. Alright. Oh man, that would have been really bad. I don't even see his gun.
No?
Oh.
Ready?
Put such a pain in the ass to get on with. Alright, thank you. You're welcome.
Nope, you didn't get him.
Excuse me?
I didn't? No, I don't think so. He's right here.
Right around this corner? Breach and clear. He said breach and clear. Semi-auto. Semi-auto. Okay.
Wait, did it charge it? I guess. Oh! Okay.
I'm out.
Hey, you want out?
I got hit 4 times. Okay, that's the 5th time. Where they at? Where they at? I don't know. Bang, 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 bang. Move.
Hey, they're shooting from that way too. I'll be back, James.
Bang, bang.
Hey.
Surrender.
Surrender.
We outnumber them. We're in.
We're out. Hey, don't shoot. We're out.
Bang, bang. You're dead too.
Hit.
Watch that wall. Got one. Ah, hey, fuck, who just shot me? Ah, 3rd time. One more time and I'm down. Come on, guys. Make this a good one. Surrender! Dude, there's like 5 of us in here. I'm already out.
You're out.
That was my 3rd hit. Ah, fuck, right here, dude.
Oh, I know. That's pretty good.
One more time and I'm dead. I'm just trying to keep him out there.
You got it there?
One of them's around the corner. Wait. Watch that one.
Are they there?
I don't know. Whose shotgun is that? Huh? Trying to find out whose shotgun that is.
I don't know.
Bing. Great. Is that over? Right here? attack and defend. How do they move? When did you get in here? He tried to go tomahawk on me and he ran away. Jesus, come on. Right, sir. Come on. Dude. Bang, bang, you shot me in the fucking head. There's towers? Oh my fuck, there's towers. I would have gone to that tower a long time ago. Ah. Alright, dude. We're throwing a tornado on his ass. Here you go. Zach, you need to stay right behind me. I got the tornado now. Wait. Nope. Hit. Shit. Nigga.
Oh, sorry.
Fuck, dude, you almost shot me.
Sorry, man.
That's cool, dude. Nobody's gonna be coming from that side, don't worry about it. Ah, motherfucker!
They're wearing armor. So they're wearing red armor.
Yeah. I'm coming. I just threw my fucking grenade. You fucking shooting me through my goddamn grenade. Threw my grenade. Fucking he lit on my hand. I went like this with my gun, right? And I came inside. He's like, bah, 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 bah. Are you fucking kidding me?
Fuck, man, we're out.
You're all out. You guys aren't within 10 feet. You guys aren't out.
You're in. Hit. You're right. Hey.
All three of you are hit. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Oh, crap.
Sorry. No, dude, you hit the wall. I know, it looked like you hit me.